Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change username on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to change your username, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Snapchat app and here just tap on your profile option in the top right. On the top left corner here, once you want the profile here, just tap on the settings of the gear icon in the top right. Now you just have to tap on the username and here just tap on your username or you have to select the change username option here. Here's the change username option. Just tap on that option here, and there you can see that your username can only be changed once a year. So if you're trying to change your username, you have to keep in mind that you can only change your username just a single time in a year. So your username might become illegal for reuse by someone else in the future. So if you're trying to change your username, so your current username can be used by anyone else in future. So I'm gonna select continue here, and you just have to add the username in which way you want. And here, once you have done, just tap on this next option, and your username will be changed. Here you can see that this username is free, so you can take it if the username you want to add or you want to change is already taken, so you're unable to change your username still. So in this way, you can easily change your username on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.